Looking for a projector mount that offers both durability and flexibility? This cold-rolled steel mount fits most projector brands with mounting holes between 1 and 17. 5. Giving you a secure, reliable hold every time. Whether you're upgrading your home theater or setting up a conference room, this mount promises stability and ease. What sets this mount apart is its 2-in-1 design. You can install it flush against the ceiling for a sleek look or use its telescopic feature to adjust the height anywhere from 16.9 to 25.6. That means you can customize your setup without hassle, making it easier to get the perfect projection angle no matter your space. Adjusting your projector's angle is just as simple. With pitch adjustment of plus or minus 15 degrees and roll adjustment of plus or minus 10 degrees, you can fine-tune the position to eliminate distortion and ensure a crisp image. It's all about getting your picture exactly right, without complicated tools or guesswork. Cable clutter is a common headache, but this mount has built-in cable management to keep HDMI, audio, and video cables neatly concealed. That means a cleaner ceiling and a more professional look overall. Plus, the quick connect and release feature lets you easily detach your projector for maintenance or upgrades without fuss. Designed for regular ceilings with drywall or wooden beams, this mount combines strength and versatility. Its durable construction ensures your projector stays secure, while the adjustable features give you the freedom to adapt to different rooms or projector models. It's a practical solution that fits your evolving needs. One user from the United States praised its ease of setup and stability, highlighting how the mount swivels and moves in nearly every direction. That flexibility means you can position your projector just right, whether for movies, presentations, or gaming. It's a smart choice if you want dependable performance without a complicated installation. If you're ready to upgrade your projector setup with a mount that delivers both convenience and control, this model is worth a look. Its durable steel frame, adjustable height, and cable management features combine to create a seamless experience. Try it when you're ready to enjoy a cleaner, more flexible projection setup.